fresh cut grass out there, Centennial Park, and just a beautiful day. 78 degrees right now. The average 73, so about 5 degrees above average. Record high 91, set back in 66. That was quite a long time ago. You can see the temperature's a little cooler out east where we've got scattered showers and thunderstorms. A little warmer the farther west you go, 80 in Kalispell, 83 in Missoula. Most of the state, good air quality. Where we've got moderate air quality, we're looking at just barely in the moderate category out of good. Still widespread light haze from wildfire smoke, mainly in Canada, but some big fires there into Washington. There's a high pressure just off towards the west, so it's not allowing the smoke to escape. As the high breaks down, we go into Saturday, some of that smoke will start to be blown off towards the east. So we may have little hazy skies Saturday afternoon and into Sunday. There are those thunderstorms out in the eastern part of the state. Yeah, Jordan getting hit, Winnett. Some storms down there around Roundup and on the Millstone area. It's still part of the storm system that was bringing rain to a lot of the state over the last few days. And our next storm system coming from the tropics. No, this is not the tropics, California, Nevada, and Arizona, but this is what's left of Tropical Storm Mario. And there's some heavy rain down here. A little unusual time of year for this heavy rain. And the green, flood watches. The reds, flash flood warnings. Some heavy rain in those areas, maybe a few burn scars as well. Here's a look at that moisture. Little high cloud cover will come in tonight and tomorrow. Partly cloudy day, but some upper level moisture from Mario. And then some rain showers and thunderstorms coming across the Great Basin. Here comes our next front. Saturday's a great day. Mostly sunny, warm. And then Sunday, here comes a front with a little moisture from Mario. And we'll have some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. The final afternoon of summer. That storm moves out for the first day of autumn. And we're back to high pressure for Tuesday and Wednesday with warming temperatures. It looks really nice. A little bit of some wind as we get into Saturday afternoon up on the Continental Divide. And then Sunday's a windy day for a lot of the state with wind decreasing through Monday. Tonight in the 40s again. This morning, 30s and 40s. It was a late summer morning here. Almost fall. Tomorrow, high pressure still pretty much dominating our weather. A few clouds coming in from Tropical Storm Mario, or what was the remnants of Mario. Warm Friday. Plus it's Friday, it's great. Saturday, mostly sunny skies. A little bit of a breeze picking up Continental Divide and Rocky Mountain Front, East Glacier area through the afternoon. Into Sunday, cold front comes across the state. Look at that. Upper 80s. We'll probably hit right about 80 degrees before the front goes through and the storms move in, mainly in the afternoon. And then the first day of fall. Rain moving out. We're looking at temperatures in the 60s and the 70s. Here's the 7-day forecast, and yeah, pretty warm start to fall, up to 86 on Wednesday.